If you're feeling a little out of balance as a result of some of the changes over the last year, or if you simply want to find a new balance in your life, then now is the time to take action. Here are 10 tips to help you find a better balance. Number 1, choose your focus. Every week, every day, every hour, make a conscious choice about how you are going to use your time. Most of the success you have comes not from what you do, but what you choose to say no to, because that dictates how much time you've got to put in to doing the things that are important to you. Number 2, one thing at a time. This is not just an injunction to stop trying to multitask, although multitasking just does not work. Rather, it's as much a plea to find the one thing to focus on and give it the time it deserves. Henry Kissinger gave some great advice in Andrew Zuckerman's fantastic book, Wisdom. Do the most important thing you can think of doing every year, and then your career will take care of itself. So, what will it be this year? Personal development? A business goal? Something in your personal life? Some learning you want to do? Or maybe you have an exciting project in mind. Number 3, get more humour. I doubt that anybody, including myself, would honestly say that they have more than enough joy and humour in their lives. Make time for humour, for comedy, and the crack. Number 4, get luckier. The harder I work, the luckier I get. That quote has been ascribed to many famous people, including Sam Goldwyn and Thomas Jefferson, and I have absolutely no idea who really said it. So let's move on and figure out how to find your own luck. Perhaps the best advice comes from Richard Wiseman's book, The Luck Factor. Wiseman offers us 4 principles to enhance our luck. 1. Know what you want and stay alert for opportunities that will give it to you. 2. Pay attention to your hunches. 3. Remain optimistic. Optimism is one of the key factors in a happy and healthy life. And 4. Look at bad luck as a chance event, a chance to learn something, and a chance to move on. Number 5. Offer wise words to the people around you. How do you speak to people? Make a choice to use more wise words. Offer them a welcome. People are attracted to warmth. Show them integrity. People value honesty. Give them your sympathy. People like people who care. And demonstrate enthusiasm, because people are attracted to real passion. Number 6, choose your battles. Focus on the battles that are really worth your time and let the others go. And on the theme of battles, choose your allies too. Who is it that can really help and support you? And who is it that you really want to associate yourself with and pin your reputation on? Number 7, more me time. Devote some quality time to yourself. Make it an opportunity to read, to relax, to learn, to reflect, to write, to make something, or to do something special for yourself. And when you do, turn off your phone, turn off your computer, disable all interruptions and distractions. And if you're not supposed to turn your phone off, then leaving it at the bottom of a drawer can work just as well. Number 8, rethink your work. Most of my viewers do work that involves other people, colleagues, clients, customers, suppliers, staff, partners, all sorts of other people. Almost certainly, you can improve your success levels, your performance, and your stress levels by making your work more about those people and less about doing things. Number 9, take care of yourself. In my book, How to Manage Stress, I talk about 3 levers which have a huge impact on your ability to control your stress levels. All 3 of these can work as remedies when you're overstressed, but importantly as preventative measures to increase your resilience against getting stressed. The first of them is good rest. Turn off your laptop, your tablet, your phone, your television, and get to bed. Enjoy a long, refreshing sleep every evening and wake up the next day full of energy and enthusiasm. Next is good energy. Make time in your life, in your routine, for some exercise. Exercise relieves stress and builds physical and mental resilience. And third is good fuel. Make time to eat your meals properly, to enjoy them and to eat them slowly. And choose good quality food and drink. And I'm not here going to tell you what that means. You know as well as I do that you have choices. Junk or quality. Water or caffeine. Fruit or sweets. Rushed or relaxed. And by the way, the answers are B, A, and B. Number 10, make it work. The simple fact is that New Year's resolutions and goal setting often fail. Scientific research offers 3 tips to how to make them succeed. Firstly, be realistic. Recognize how difficult it is to achieve goals and choose 1 or 2 at a time. And treat setbacks not as failure, but as an opportunity to learn and reassert your commitment to something that's important to you. But most important, persevere and recognize and celebrate every little success that you have. Second, create a plan, a list, a schedule, a series of steps. It doesn't have to be massive and complex. Start small, develop your plan, but always go back to the first idea. Keep it realistic. And thirdly, find your motivation. And modern research on motivation suggests there are 4 big internal motivators that get us all excited and positive about what it is we're doing. First, being in control of yourself or autonomy. Second, mastering something worthwhile or mastery. Third, building and strengthening relationships or relatedness. And fourth, knowing why your goals, your objectives really matter. Purpose and meaning. So there you have it, 10 powerful tips and techniques to help you to get balance in your life and make the changes that matter. If you've enjoyed this video or learned from it, please do give it a like. And please subscribe to the channel if you want more great project management related videos like this one. And I look forward to seeing you in the next